Hello everyone, Cynthia Miller here. Today I'm going to talk about frankincense and myrrh. And I want you to just take a few moments and go back in time. Go back to ancient Egypt in the deserts where people lived very simple lifestyle. Maybe they had, canopies and tents to shade them from the sun, shade trees, and maybe at night or during ritual or ceremony, they might burn the resin of frankincense and myrrh in hanging baskets, and they would just walk around and let the smoke waft through the camps. And what I think this did was help to stir up the energy, because I think in a real hot existence like that, it must be very dead air and still. And I think this would help to get things moving. And I think that when people were breathing this in, it's very grounding. It brings the community together. It helps to make that sacred ceremony special. It's very, both of them were very spiritual oils, and they were used ancient years ago. And so they were very sacred. Both of these were given to baby Jesus. They were traded in the markets at a very high value. However, over the years, it seemed that the harvesters were getting less and less for their labor. Frankincense and myrrh were also cut with other things that were fillers, so you didn't really get a good quality oil over the years. And it really served the people well to take as much resin from the trees as they could, but it was really hard on their forests, and they found that the trees were dying. And doterra stepped in and started working with local harvesters and the generations of knowledge that is there. And they helped to bring the forest back to health in Somaliland, this one particular area that I'm talking about. And so they are able to bring this beautiful essential oil into my home that is such a good quality and gives me the healing benefits that are good for, like I said, for our skin. They're used for first aid. The frankincense is one of the essential oils that is used quite consistently throughout the Symphony of the Cells protocols that we do. And it really helps to enhance the other healing properties of other essential oils when it is used in a blend. So it's a really powerful essential oil. It represents the father energy, and the myrrh represents mother energy, Mother Earth, and Father Sky, I think, is really the essence of their the plant medicine that is there. So it's used for many different things. And I mean, they're very similar, so that is why they are very complementary. They're both a tree. They're both cut, and the resin is the sap that hardens, and that is what is used to distill down into an oil. So both of them are used in medicine. Both of them are used in cosmetics, perfumery, incense, as I mentioned, and the religious purposes as well. So the chemical components are very similar. There is a or a group category that is called monoterpenes, and that is what mostly makes up this group of oils. Now, frankincense is grouped together with juniper oil, juniper berry oil, as well as cypress, and those ones have the alpha pinene chemical makeup. So those are monoterpenes. And also monoterpene are the unique chemical component of myrrh, which is a sesquiterpene, and that's part of the monoterpene group as well. And it's got a very unique quality to it, and that is called the where is it? Cursorine. Okay, so that has the quality of smoothing things. The skin, basically, right, is what we're using it for, and that's why it's so popular in cosmetics. And I can just imagine Cleopatra using this in her spa for all her cosmetics. They use these a lot, the frankincense and myrrh, for your skin. So listen up and take note that this is something that I put it on my face all the time. I put frankincense on my third eye. I put it around my eyes. I put it like right here, and I put it right there, here, before I put my lotion on, before I put my moisturizer on. So Frank and myrrh go really well together. Myrrh has a really earthy sort of aroma to it, and it's a little bit more thick. I find that I have to sort of shake that one to get that out, and it goes really well with sandalwood. Sandalwood is one of my absolute favorites, and it just comes in the little bottle. So sandalwood is sourced from either India or Hawaii. So again, really tropical, sort of mystical places. And one of the ones that they suggest teaming up frankincense and myrrh with is lavender for the floral, or grapefruit. I've used this one, and I just love the uplifting smell of the grapefruit. And coupled with frankincense and myrrh, it's such a lovely combination of that vibration. I guess of feeling uplifted yet staying very grounded. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I'm going to do a whole month of once a week going through these 6 oils that make up the Ancient Oils kit that, like I said, doTERRA has just released. I can't wait till they come in the mail. I'm just sort of using what I have right now. So I've got mine on order, and hopefully they'll be here in the next week or so, and we can go through them one by one. So love to you. Have a fantastic day.